Hello everyone, this is the Guwahati Tour Part 4 Day 4 One Day Tour to Meghalaya. Part 1, 2 and 3 you will get it in the description. So our today's plan is we will go to Meghalaya and there we will see the Root Bridge, the Clean Village and the Dauki River. So now is morning 5 o'clock. We are going to Meghalaya. From Guwahati to Shillong, it is 100 km. If you are going to Meghalaya, then you have to take your vaccination reports. Here, they will check the vaccination reports. After that, only they will let you go. As Meghalaya is known as the home of clouds, so you can see how beautiful are the clouds looking. This is the Macdoc Valley. First, we will be going to the Dauki River. We will do boat travel to Bangladesh border. In boat, it cost 1200 rupees. After this, we will go to the clean village which is Maulilong. Here are so many hotels and restaurants. So from one of the restaurant we have done our lunch. This is the tree house. So now we will be going to see the Root Bridge. We will be seeing only single decker Root Bridge. For single decker we have to go down 300 stairs and for double decker Root Bridge we have to go 3000 stairs down. So now we have reached. This is the full view of the root bridge. Near the root bridge there is also a waterfall. Near the waterfall there are some stairs going to the upward. There is a viewpoint. So it was our last day staying in Guwahati. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock our train is there.